We dey suffer. We dey suffer, brother. Man, I try to understand people. Things is not their balance. Nigeria no dey balance. E no work. We dey suffer. We dey hungry. That is why we dey vex. You understand? We come again. We dey run. We dey run. We do something. We thief. We not thief now. Una mama una check out. E no good, brother. E not supposed to be like this. Things e get as e be. Nigeria no balance. E no balance. Hungry there for land. Yeah, nothing more than that. Make bring price of things down. Make people survive. Not be like that, brother. Things is not good. That's why people they vex. And they not do anything. All of us just sit down. We see all of us they run like say we thief. We not run. Go on everywhere. People they run like say they do any other thing. You understand? You know good, brother. I'm gonna tell them, you know good. Nigeria no balance. Hunger too much. Hunger there the land. You know, say they, no matter how it be, if you not even talk, you get as it be, brother. You know good. I beg. Man, I try. Patient, you go die, go grave. Which patient? Till we die, go grave. The children know how much they sell bag of rice to market. They know how much they sell even tomatoes or potatoes. We dey hungry. Ordinary potatoes will not see chop for our land. We dey vex. E no good. E no good. The children dey here. The children not there here now. Man, I try. Man, I check out. E no good for us. Biko, I beg. Emma Binu. E no good. Man, I help us. Tell them. The thing get as it be. Help us. Enjoy Emma Binu, Baba. Hunger too much. Enjoy Biko. E no good. Who won't die? He don't do. The punishment don't do. Even who do something where say forgive me, they go forgive him, brother. Anybody where do something say God forgive me, God go forgive her. Anything where we do then, may they forgive us. May Nigeria forgive us so that they go release what's in the market, so that we see food chop. That's what we they talk now be that, brother. Nothing more than that. May they release small thing, calm down, so that the poor one can afford to eat. The poor one that are hungry in streets. I beg. Now beg with the beggar. Man, I just tell them for us, so because our voice not reach there. We down the street and we they run up and down. If you see they can't go on, whether they shoot here, we tire. What thing they happen? I beg now small we they do. Nobody even carry anything, carry weapon for here. Everybody does the but then they fear. Fear too much. He bad, I beg. Biko, man, I help us. Now beg with the beg, brother. Enjoy my binu, Baba. Baba President, John, now beg with the beg. Now food to come down. Then they just give us small something to come down, we will survive them. Nothing more than that. We not ask for too much now. We die our land with the suffer. Where we go wrong, go. Where we go wrong, go. We get any other place where we go. Now our land we dey. I beg. This thing when I tell you now we dey hungry. People they hungry. You can't afford for the market to buy anything. You carry one night and you go, you know if you buy anything. He bad now. He not good, I beg. I beg. Just man wanna help us beg them. Please, the problem too much. Hunger too much. Problem too much for the land. I beg. Man will know they run all those things. Man don't bring price of market down. The price of the things make it come down. Our problem be that, so that we can afford to buy even the potatoes or anything. We take a chop granite, you can't buy corn, you can't buy. It's too much now. I beg, man, help us. Now beg, I beg. So I beg, man, tell her, make God touch your heart to help us. That is our beg. Where would they beg? That fuel will be the problem of Nigeria. When you know say he enter there, he bring the price of fuel up. And they carry everything, say now the fuel will go up. Now he bring this problem. Make him bring the price of the fuel down, so that the thing go dey balance for market. Now what thing we want here be this. If the price of the fuel come down, everything go balance, brother. If you bring the price of food, it go come down. Anyone will go inside lungu for bush, they find something where go chop. He go not say the thing dead down. Everything go there better. Now what thing would they praise be that? I beg. With the beggar. You understand? I beg. With the beggar, make him just bring the price of the thing down. If you bring the price of the fuel down, things go better small for us. I beg. Now beg with the beg. Oh, our hearts, our mama and papa, everybody, brother, sister, we the hungry. We don't tire. We don't tire. I beg you. Hunger too much. You understand?